Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our POS system in PHP. So now guys, in this video, we are going to start with how to place the order. Okay, so we are going to basically store the order and proceed with the order system. So now guys, let's get started. So guys, let's move to this order create.php, which is inside the admin folder. So let's move back. Okay, so let me close all the files and go inside the admin order create.php, and here is my table design. Okay, so let me minimize this complete table div and just come below here, add a margin top 2, horizontal row dot row, column md4, add a label, select payment mode and give a select option, use a class form hyphen select, use a option tag which is going to be a cash payment. Let me copy this and paste here, copy and paste again and tell online payment. So however they want, you can give them option, and one will be as select payment done, and this is going to be a required field. Okay, so if you want to give, you can give here, or else we will validate using jQuery and just add a name attribute that is payment mode. Okay, and let us not make this as a name attribute, instead we will create as id. Okay, so this is going to be id of payment mode. Now what we have to do, let's create another column md4, column md4. Let me copy this label and paste here, enter customer phone number and give the input field input number, and here let's mention the id that is customer phone. And then guys, you can add the class for the designing purpose, form control, and then give a value. And now guys, finally one more column md4, which is going to be a button. So before this, add a br tag, proceed to place order, and this button design, button warning, and it is going to be a full width. And let's name this button as proceed to place. Okay, so this is my button name, we'll be using it now. So this button type, it's going to be a type of button only. And now guys, let's check the output once. Move back, refresh, perfect. Okay, so here you can select the payment mode and your customer phone number and proceed to place order. So now guys, when you click this, what all things should be done, we are going to do now. So let's get back. And now guys, let's write the jQuery for this. So let's go inside the footer.php first. Let's move inside includes footer.php. So inside this footer.php, you can directly write here the code by giving a script tag, or you can just go to its custom.js file and write the JavaScript code over there, or jQuery code. So let's move inside that assets, JS and custom.js. We have linked it. Okay. So these are the codes which we have already written for previous functionality. And here let me give a comment like proceed to place order button click. Okay, so now guys, let's start with it. So get back to your order create. So first step, I'm copying this button. When I click on this button, click, go to custom.js, jq on event document, and what event it is a click event. On what click you are going to do, that is the proceed to place. So let's copy this, paste here, done guys. And now on this click, I just want to check whether you have selected the payment mode or not, and also with the phone number. So let's move back. So first step, open and close if condition, and let me create one variable called payment underscore mode equal to dollar $val. So here you are going to get the ID that is payment mode. Let me copy that payment mode ID. Let's copy this, paste here. Okay, so whatever value you get which is not equal to null, and just use a alertify to show the output, or you can use the sweet alert, that is val function, and give double quotes, again double quotes, and again double quotes here. So you can mention the first string value as select payment mode. This is going to be a message, and here also select your payment mode, and what type of it is warning type, and you can just return false. So now guys, we will check whether we have the sweet alert linked or not. So you can just go inside the includes header.php. So we don't have that sweet alert here, and let me check once in the footer. Sweet alert, okay, it's not there. So let us get back to the browser, just search for sweet alert, just hit enter, and here is the first serial link, and you have one more here. Okay, so let me go to this second URL. You will find that sweetalertjs.org. Okay, so you can copy this CDN link, here it has given. Let's copy this, get back, and just paste here. So yep, so we have the sweet alert included, and now you can get back. So now guys, let us see whether this sweet alert is popping or not. So move back, refresh, and I am not selecting the payment mode right now. Let's click here, proceed to place. Let us just inspect, and you need to check that. Okay, nothing happening. So let's get back again. Let me console.log and save. Let's move Control Shift R guys to clear the cache. Now click here. Perfect. So our console log is there, and here it did not alert the message. Let us see why. Oops, I have just made a mistake guys. That payment, if it is double equal to null, okay, then you should show the message. So it's a condition issue. Now click to here, you can see that select payment mode. So if you select this payment mode, cache mode, then you can proceed further. So now guys, let's move back, and same with the phone number. Okay, so let me mention C phone, that is going to be the customer phone number, and just update this ID here, C phone. Let's get back and check here. So for the customer, here is the ID. Let's copy that ID and paste that value here. So you got this value, and now you need to check whether it is numeric or not, and also it is null or not. Okay, so you can just find that, copy this, paste here. So if this customer phone is double equal to null, and also this customer phone number is not numeric. Okay, so not is numeric function, and paste that. So if it is not numeric, here you can mention like enter phone number, and here also same part, enter valid phone number. Okay, you can show this also as warning, and let us see that. Once refresh, now I'm going to select the payment and just click on proceed to place. So here you see is numeric is not defined. Okay, so let me just add dollar dot is numeric. Okay, so you just need to add this dollar and dot before that numeric function. And now guys, let's save and try to check the process here. Select the cash payment, click, perfect. So enter valid phone number, done. So guys, if you give the valid phone number, something like yes, it is only the number, then you continue. So now guys, let's continue here. Let me comment this console log and write a ajax code, jq ajax, hit enter. So method is going to be the post method, and URL it's going to that same URL, order code.php. Okay, so orders hyphen code.php file, and then you are going to pass the data. So let us copy this variable where data equal to open and close curly brace, where guys you need to pass all the data which you want to send. Proceed to place button, which is going to be true, comma, and then again C phone number, that is customer phone number. Let me keep it small itself, customer phone number colon C phone, then comma, and again finally the payment mode. So You can just copy this variable and pass the data where it is here. And now guys, you pass this variable at this post request. Let me remove this data type. Once done, you're going to code.php by following this data. Okay, copy this and go to the order code.php. Let's move there. Let me go at last. And now let's write a if condition here. Check with the isSet method, post method of proceed to order place button. And now create a variable called phone equal to user validate function to validate the value which is sent from there, which is coming via post method, that is C phone. Same way guys, you are going to copy for the payment mode. Let me copy that variable, paste here, and the variable also payment mode. And now guys, first step, you are going to check the customer. So I mean to say, like when I click on proceed to place order, that time you need to validate this phone number. Do you have this user in your record or not? If the record is not there, I mean the phone number is not there, then you have to create the customer. Okay, so now guys, let's get started with that. So yep, let's move back and let me mention that checking for customer. So dollar check customer variable equal to select star from customers table. So we have already created the customer table guys. Phone equal to single quotes dollar phone variable limit 1. And now guys, you need to execute this query. So what we'll do, control X, use the mysqli underscore query function to execute your query. So first pass the database connection and then the query. So guys, this is our query now. And now you can check whether this query is true or false. If it is true, then comes in, and now you need to check it has at least one record or not. So you can check with that mysqli number of rows function, which is should be greater than 0. So what is greater than 0? This check customer result. Yep. Then you're going to create some data and store in the session of invoice number equal to, let's tell inv hyphen then random digit. Let me concatenate, use a rand function, 11111 comma 999. Okay, so dollar underscore session of store the customer phone number equal to dollar phone. So same way guys, for the payment mode also, let's copy this and paste here and paste here. So now guys, in this else condition, if the record is not found, then what you'll do, you are going to just store the phone number. Okay, and in this else condition, let's redirect all the things. So this is a jQuery response, right? Okay, so we are calling this using Ajax. So what we'll do, we have created a JSON response in previous video. Okay, so let me just show you that. If you have not watched, please just go through this function and create in your application. Okay, so this is the type guys which we are sending it, and this is the function. So let me copy this function and pass here. So now your status, which is going to be a 500, like something went wrong, and here status type, you can mention it's error, and the message something went wrong. Now copy and paste for this else condition, paste here, and you can mention it is like not found. So 4 not 4, it's a warning, and mention customer not found. Let's copy and paste inside this if condition. Here you can tell success and the status code is 200, and now this is customer found. That's it guys. And get back to this success response here, copy and paste, create a variable res equal to json dot parse function and add this response. So now you get the response here, and you need to check if response dot status is double equal to 200, then it is success, and you need to return back on some page. Okay, so windows.location.href, and just tell him go to order summary.php, come back in the else if condition here, open and close curly bracket, and now response dot status is double equal to 404. Okay, so if it is 404, mention a message using sweet alert. So let me add that sval function. So here you get the res dot message, response dot message, second response for the message, and third is our status type. Okay, that is warning or error or success. Done. And now give a comma, open and close curly brace, and you need to add a buttons colon curly brace. So first will be the catch colon open and close curly brace, add a text colon, which is going to be add customer and its value colon catch, give a comma and add one cancel button cancel colon, and name that button as cancel. Okay, so if you don't understand all this, you can just go through this sweet alert. So you have all the options explained here, how it is working, this. Okay, so here is the code, all that things. Let me continue with it. So now guys, once you are done with this buttons option, you are going to use then function, give a semicolon, create a function, and curly brace, get the value, whatever value you get after the success of this val. You are going to use a switch case, switch switch function, open and close curly brace, get the value, and case, that is catch. Okay, and default colon none. That's it guys. So here in this catch function, what you will do, you are going to pop up a model. So first I will just show a console log so we can understand what's going on. So pop the customer add model, done, and after this use a break. That's it guys. So once done, you are going in the else condition here and add a simple sval message, sval sweet alert res.response. Let me copy this from top and paste here. So done. And now guys, let us see the output. Get back, refresh. So select the payment mode. Now I'm going to give a wrong number and let's proceed to pay. Customer not found. So if you want to add a customer, add, else cancel. So I will cancel now. You can see that it has gone. Again, if you want to add a customer, then if you click here, you see that pop up the customer model. Okay, so now we need to add a pop-up box. So that is nothing but bootstrap model guys. So what we'll do, let me comment this first and just add the model ID. So we can add at top. So my model, it's going to be add customer model. That's it guys. And now we need to create the model. So if we type, it's going to take more time. Just go to getbootstrap.com, go to docs and just search for model, modal model, hit enter. You are on the model which comes under this component. Okay, so let me see here. So here is a live demo. Perfect. So what we'll do, we'll just copy this complete model, copy, get back and go at the top of your create.php file. So just move on the top. This is my order create.php. Okay, so no confusion. Now let's paste here, and I just want to pop up this model. Let's copy this and paste here. This is the ID guys. And now here I just want to change the title as add customer, and margin bottom 3, simple label, which is for enter customer name, input box with class form hyphen control, and give a id equal to, which is going to be c underscore name, that is customer name. Now let's copy this complete div, paste here for the phone number and optional for the email. So enter customer phone number and change the id c phone, and then customer email. Done. So if you don't have, you can just create as optional. Done, guys. And then this is the save button. So here you need to add one button name as save customer. Okay, so we'll be seeing how to save customer in next video, because this video is already extended, and now we will see just the output of it. So now let's get back, refresh once, add a random digit phone number, proceed to place order. Okay, let me select the payment mode here, cash payment, proceed to place. Customer not found with that number, add customer. Okay, so it did not pop up the model. I don't know why. Let me just recheck. Let's copy this add customer model and paste here. Here in the model function, we have to tell show. Okay, so that's the reason it did not pop up. Let's refresh, select the cash payment. Let's proceed, add, perfect. Okay, so let me click out. Okay, so it just popped out. So what you can do, just add that data hyphen bootstrap and backdrop equal to static, and then again data hyphen bootstrap, that is ps, and keyboard equal to false. Let's save, refresh guys, paste the phone number, proceed. Okay, let me select this payment, proceed, add customer, and if you click out, it doesn't close. Okay, so now you can just click on this, it closes. Perfect guys. Okay, so now guys, I just want to see what happens if the customer is found. So what we'll do, let us go to our customers table here, and here is one phone number. Let me copy this customer is already existing, right? So let's add this phone number and click on proceed. Here you see, you just redirected to order summary.php. Okay, so it's redirected correctly, so you can just see here. So if the customer is found, done. So now guys, if customer is not found, then what you have to do, you have to save those customer records and proceed for the place order. So guys, this video is already extended. Let's continue in the next video. So guys, in this video, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share.